This is the first day Halloween Cat's been out this year.
It's been severely neglected.
Been very upset. It's August 13th. But at least it's not crowded. Watching the water rush off there. Now it drains. Hello.
Hi there.
Oh, here comes a little puff. Yeah. Automatic rotation. This is the grips rotation. Uh-oh.
Hope you didn't mind me coming upwind of you. I had to come look. That's great, guys. Yeah.
What's that thing on the front that they could untwirl?
Genoa jib.
Oh, that's Genoa. So you would switch that out? You can switch that out while you're sailing with the jib?
Now you can deploy it double.
Oh, you use it in addition to. That's right. You're on film now. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're trying to sell it.
Are ya?
What year is that one?
That was 15 or
Oh, so really new.
the guy only raced it a couple of times, then he had to sell it.
Oh,
Wow.
okay.
A few times, and then it said, we're not using it enough. Yeah?
Is that a 20 footer? 21. Okay, cool. Oh, that's a Shamu thing on top too. That's cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.